Why does your scanner show the P0247 engine code? What does it mean? P0247 is a diagnostic trouble code for Turbocharger Wastegate Solenoid B, malfunction. The P0247 code indicates a malfunction in the turbocharger or supercharger wastegate solenoid B circuit. The engine control module has detected an electrical fault, such as a short or open circuit in the control pathway that regulates boost pressure. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: wiring issues, vacuum leaks, damaged connectors, stuck wastegate, faulty sensors or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, Chevrolet, Mercedes, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.